Hey you, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're discussing the work behavior do's and don'ts during holiday season. Maintaining the right behavior during holiday season at work is important for a positive work environment where you can build strong professional relationships. Follow these do's and don'ts to make sure that there will be a festive atmosphere at the office during holiday season. Do's: spread cheer. Embrace the holiday spirit by being friendly, approachable, and spreading positivity in the workplace. Participate in celebrations. Join in on office festivities like gift exchanges and decorating to build team spirit. Express gratitude. Take the time to show appreciation to your coworkers and superiors through thoughtful gestures or notes. Dress up. Feel free to wear festive clothing, but make sure it's appropriate for your workplace culture. Stay professional. Remember that work is still work, so stay professional even during holiday celebrations at work. Okay, so now that you know the do's, let's go over to the don'ts. Don't overindulge. Be mindful of alcohol consumption at office parties to avoid embarrassing situations. It's always important to know your limits, and especially at an office holiday party. Exclude others. Make sure that no one feels left out, including coworkers of all backgrounds and beliefs, but be respectful of their objections and wishes to not participate in the festivities. Gossip or complain. Avoid negative discussions or gossip about coworkers, especially during holiday events. Other subjects that are best to avoid include religion, finances, and politics. Overdo the decorations. While decorating is fun, don't go overboard. Respect shared office spaces by making sure the decorations don't distract or get in the way of your coworkers. Forget your work duties. Remember, work does not stop during the holidays, so fulfill your responsibilities. Now you know the do's and don'ts during the holiday season at work. Thank you for listening. If you want to read the information, you can find the link to the article in the description box. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to our channel, and to follow Banks and Insurance Jobs on our social media to stay up to date on the latest vacancies and career advice.